Alright, hello, this is Chris Evans, and this is my collisions reassessment from last Monday. And, as you can see the problem in the email and stuff. It's about the hockey puck that's moving, and it collides with the second hockey puck and wants to know the speed. Second hockey puck. And so I drew a diagram here before the collision. We know that A is moving 2.0 meters per second, and then B is at rest before, and then after. We know that A collides with it, and it goes 1.0 meters per second after the collision, and it's 60 degrees above the horizontal of the X direction. And we want to find the speed in the direction of B. So in order to do that, first of all, we need to find the velocity so that we can find the direction. And find the velocity, we can just use the Pythagorean theorem of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we have the we know that the final velocity is one of the sides here, and then the hypotenuse would be 2.0. So because that's the initial speed of A, of hockey puck A, I mean. And so then we need to find the speed of B. So 1.0 squared plus b is going just all the math and stuff, and basically you get square root of 3, 1.7 meters per second for the speed of A. For the speed of B after the collision of hockey puck B. And now in order to find the direction, well, I drew these diagrams here. We know that A is going 60 degrees above the horizontal at 1.0 meters per second after the collision, and B after the collision. We just found out that it's going 1.7 meters per second after the collision, but we don't know the direction, so we need to find theta. And since sine is opposite over hypotenuse, I mean, we can just kind of set it equal to the other problem, to the hockey puck A, since we have both of the variables of A, since we have the direction and we have the speed of A, so and we have the speed of B. So basically we do 1.7 meters per second times sine of theta, because like I said, sine is opposite of hypotenuse, and we want to find the angle. And we have the adjacent angle, the opposite angle of for A. So anyway, so 1.7 meters per second times sine of theta equals 1.0, which is the final speed of A, and times the direction of sine of 60. So and when sine of theta equals 1.0, since sine of 60 divided by 1.7, just rearrange the formula. And after we get 0.509 and find inverse tangent of it to, inverse sine, and we get 31 degrees. And since 31 degrees is less than the direction of 60 degrees, we know that it's below the x-axis, or below the horizontal. So final answer is 1.7 meters per second in a direction of 31 degrees below the x-axis. So yeah, basically, like I said, just use Pythagorean theorem to find the speed, and then use the speed and set it equal in order to find the direction. And final answer we get is 1.7 meters per second at 31 degrees below the x-axis, below the horizontal. So, and that's about that. And hope you enjoyed and have a great day.